Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I tie this head wrap. If you want to watch, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the scarf that I have. This is how long it is. It's this long. This size, so just gonna straighten it out a bit more. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fold up like this all the way down. So I have these two sides. I have one short and one very long side. So I come back and I do this, and I just take the shorter one from the other side and bring it right here. I'm also usually very careful to just start moving the wrap backwards immediately. So I have this right here. Now I'm just going to straighten this side out because it looks slightly crumpled up together. So now I will take this side and just leave it like this. If you wish, you can use a pin to just hold it together, or you can just hold it on like this. So I'll go this way first of all. Then I straighten it out a little bit more. So I want the flower side to show slightly, so like this side, and then I just look for a place to put this other side in, and that is it. Now you can just adjust to your taste. It's enough for the second style. I'm going to bring my braids up to an up bun. And that is it.